Hello everyone, welcome to the website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the great news from Astar network. Cosmos is connected to Polkadot through Celer, Injective, and Astar. So it's coming from Celer, who is the founder of Astar network. He shared the article today. Let's quickly go over the article, and then I'm going to demo how you can really connect those two. Astar network integrated with Injective, connecting Polkadot with Cosmos IBC. For those of you who are not familiar with Injective, Injective is a leading DeFi hub in the Cosmos ecosystem. So this integration really helps to enable Astar and Polkadot users to bridge their assets, including Astar and DOT, from the leading parachain directly to Cosmos IBC chains, and vice versa. In addition, it will be good for the developers as you can now build interchain dApps across Polkadot and Cosmos. And so the Injective is a layer 1 protocol built on the Cosmos. And the Injective has become a hub in Cosmos ecosystem and continues building cutting-edge DeFi products. They launched a $150 million venture initiative earlier this year. So what did that mean for the Astar user? For the Astar user, it means they can now bridge the Atom Int, which is the token from the Injective, and even more assets from the Injective to Astar and vice versa. And so you can leverage the power of XCM, which will connect Astar with other parachains on Polkadot ecosystem. Let's see what Injective CEO said. Bringing together the Cosmos and Polkadot ecosystem has not been a goal for the entire crypto industry. So they are quite excited about this integration. The founder of Astar network, Celer, also excited to be part of connecting those two of the most vibrant multi-chain ecosystem. So I think this is definitely a good news. Now let's take a look at the tutorial how we can do that. So first of all, we can go to the Celer bridge, and now we can select Injective. So here I'm going to search Injective. And then you can connect your wallet. It supports the Capner wallet, which is the one I recommend for the Atom. I personally use that. And now you can already see the Astar, and including the Atom. You can also send the Atom to Astar network. And of course, for those of you may not have any token in the Injective for the transaction, there would be some way you can get the free token as well. So if you connect your MetaMask and put the Astar, you can send it to the Injective as well. But also you can get the address. So keep this address. Now I'm going to show you how to get some gas fees to start the transaction. The first way, you can go to stakely.io. They have a faucet, and put your address, and they only need you to send a tweet, and that's it. Then you are going to get the gas for the Injective. This is the first way you can try. Of course, if you don't want to do the tweet, you can also directly get it from the Inj faucet. Put your address and your Discord ID, and then you are going to get the token. So for example, now I get a little bit of token. This is for covering the gas fees. Okay, so how did you feel about this connection between Cosmos and Polkadot? Leave your comments. I personally very excited about this connection. That means those two ecosystems, they can in future merge and become a bigger ecosystem. To be honest, I feel right now all the blockchain, the connection between those chains, only Polkadot and Cosmos, they are doing this cross-chain and interoperability. So I'm very excited and appreciate Astar network to make it work. So I'm also quite excited about the future, how those connection will bring more dApps or more projects. So I would be happy to hear any comments, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.